Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. Today we are going to solve problems from exercise 7.2. So this is 7th problem. See here what he is asking. Find the coordinates of points which divide the line segment joining A minus 4, 0 and B 0, 6 into 4 equal parts. So we have the points which divide the line segment into 3 equal parts are called the trisectional points, but here is asking to find us the points which divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. So here he has given 2 points A minus 4, 0 and B 0, 6. AB is the line joining these 2 points. So let the points P, Q, R divide this line segment into 4 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3. So totally how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 3 points are dividing the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. So ఇక్కడ మనకు A minus 4, 0 మరియు B 0, 6 లను కలిపేటువంటి లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ ABని 4 ఈక్వల్ పాయింట్స్గా లేదా 4 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేసేటువంటి పాయింట్స్ యొక్క కోఆర్డినేట్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఏబిని 4 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేసేటువంటి పాయింట్స్ని మనం పీక్యూఆర్ అనుకుందాం. సో ఈ పీక్యూఆర్ అనే 3 పాయింట్స్ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఏబిని 4 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాయి అనుకుందాము. దెన్ see here, P divides the line segment AB in the ratio, it is 1, it is 3. P divides in the ratio 1:3, Q divides in the ratio 2:2 and R divides in the ratio 3:1. So using section formula, now we have to find the coordinates of P, Q and R. So see here what I have written. Let the points P, Q and R divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:3. So here it is 1 part, here it is 3 parts. Hence P divides in the ratio 1:3. So coordinates of P is equal to. So what is the section formula? M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2. M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. Just we have to substitute in the formula. Here x1 y1 is minus 4 0 and x2 y2 is 0 6 and M1 is to M2 equal to 1:3. So just we have to substitute in the formula. M1 x2, M1 is 1 into x2 value is 0, 1 into 0 plus M2 x1, M2 is 3, x1 is minus 4 by M1 plus M2, that is 1 plus 3, comma M1 y2, M1 is 1 again, y2 is 6 plus M2 is 3, y1 is 0 by M1 plus M2 is 1 plus 3. So just I have substituted in the formula. So see here what we get. 1 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 4 is minus 12 by 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 into 6 is 6, 3 into 0 is 0 by 1 plus 3 is 4 again. So here it is 0 minus 12 is minus 12 by 4. It is minus 12 by 4, comma, it is 6 by 4. 6 plus 0 is 6 again. So here we can cancel 4 1s and 4 3s, 2 3s and 2 2s. So now minus 3 3 by 2, minus 3 3 by 2. So these are the coordinates of point P. So next we have to find the coordinates of Q and the coordinates of R. See here. So now we have to find the coordinates of Q. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. So there are 2 parts on the left side and there are 2 parts on the right side. Hence Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. Therefore coordinates of Q equal to. So again by using section formula we have to find m1 x2, m1 is 2 into x2 is 0, so 2 into 0 plus m2 x1, m2 is also 2, x1 is minus 4 by m1 plus m2 is 2 plus 2, comma m1 y2, m1 is 2 again, y2 is 6 plus m2 is 2 again, m2 y1 is 0 by m1 plus m2, it is 2 plus 2. So see here, now have to simplify. 2 into 0 is 0, 2 into minus 4 is minus 8 by 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 into 6 is 12, 2 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 2 is again 2 into 0 is 0, 2 plus 2 is 4. So here is 0 minus 8 by 4 and 12 plus 0 by 4. So we can write it is 0 minus 8 is minus 8 by 4, 12 plus 0 is 12 by 4, 12 by 4. So we can cancel 4 ones and 4 twos, 4 ones and 4 threes. So it is minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma 3. So these are the coordinates of Q. So next R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. Now we have to find the coordinates of R. R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. So the left side there are 3 parts to the R and the right side there is only 1 part to the R. So R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. So now we have to find the coordinates of R. So again by substituting in section formula we can get the coordinates of R. So m1 x2, m1 is 3, x2 is 0, 3 into 0. m1 x2 plus m2, m2 is 1, m2 x1, x1 is minus 4 by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 1, comma m1 y2, 3 into y2 is 6 plus m2 y1, m2 is 1, y1 is 0 by m1 plus m2, again 3 plus 1. So see here I have to simplify just 3 into 0 is 0, 1 into minus 4 is minus 4 by 3 plus 1 is 4, comma 3 into 6 is 18, 1 into 0 is 0 by 3 plus 1 is 4. So just we have to simplify. See here what we get. So 0 minus 4 is minus 4 by 4, comma 18 plus 0 is 18 by 4. So minus 4 by 4 is minus 1, comma 18 by 2 cancel by 2, 2 2s and 2 9s, here we get 9 by 2, minus 1 comma 9 by 2. These are the coordinates of R. So therefore we can write coordinates of P equal to minus 3 comma 3 by 2, coordinates of Q equal to minus 2 comma 3 and coordinates of R equal to minus 1 comma 9 by 2. So this is a 7th problem in exercise 7.0. So next we have to solve 8th problem. This is 8th problem in exercise 7.0. So it is same like as 7th problem. So see here, find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8 into 4 equal parts. So it is same like as 7th problem. So here A minus 2 comma 2 and B 2 comma 8, this is the line joining the points A and B. So let P, Q and R are the 3 points which divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. So ikkada manaku AB line segment ni PQR ane 3 points 4 equal parts ga divide chestunnayani anukundamu. So then we have to find the coordinates of P, Q and R using section formula. So see here, there are 4 equal parts. These 3 are dividing it into 4 equal parts. P is dividing AB in the ratio 1:3. So this is one part on the left hand side. There are 3 parts on the right hand side. P dividing AB in the ratio 1:3. Q is dividing AB in the ratio 2:2. R is dividing AB in the ratio 3:1. So first we have to find, see here, let the points P, Q and R divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. P divides AB in the ratio 1:3. The coordinates of P equal to. So now by using section formula we have to find the coordinates of P. So what is section formula? M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2, comma M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. So here it is x1 comma y1, it is x2 comma y2, M1 is to M2 is 1:3. So here see here, M1x2 1 into x2 value is 2, 1 into 2 plus M2x1, M2 is 3, x1 is minus 2, x1 is minus 2 by M1 plus M2, that is 1 plus 3. In the same way M1 y2, M1 is 1, y2 is 8, 1 into 8 plus M2 y1, M2 is 3, y1 is 2 by M1 plus M2, it is 1 plus 3 again. So just we have to simplify. 1 into 2 is 2, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 by 1 plus 3 is 4. So 1 into 8 is 8 plus 3 into 2 is 6 by 1 plus 3 is 4 again. See here, 2 minus 6 is minus 4 by 4, comma 8 plus 6 is 14 by 4. So cancel by 4 ones and 4 ones, 2 twos and 2 sevens, we get minus 1 comma 7. So these are the coordinates of P, minus 1 comma 7 by 2, minus 1 comma 7 by 2. So these are the coordinates of P. So next Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. So here Q divides AB in the ratio 2:2. So now we have to find the coordinates of P by substituting in the formula, section formula again. See here. So coordinates of Q is equal to. So here x1 y1 is minus 2 comma 2, x2 8 is 2 comma 8. But here M1 is to M2 is 2:2. So M1 x2, M1 is 2, x2 is also 2, 2 into 2 plus M2, M2 is 2, x1 is minus 2 by M1 plus M2, M1 plus M2 is 2 plus 2 here. So next M1 y2, M1 is 2, y2 is 8 plus M2 is 2, y1 is also 2 by M1 plus M2, it is 2 plus 2. So just we have to simplify. 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 by 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 into 8 is 16, 2 plus 2 is 4 by 2 plus 2 is again 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 by 4 is 0. 16 plus 4 is 20 by 4. So we can cancel by 4, 4 ones and 4 fives. We get 0 comma 5, 0 comma 5. So these are the coordinates of Q. Coordinates of P are minus 1 comma 7 by 2 and the coordinates of Q are 0 comma 5. So next we have to find the coordinates of R. So now R divides AB in the ratio 3:1. So the coordinates of R is equal to. So M1 x2, M1 is 3, x2 is 2. 3 into 2 plus M2 x1, M2 is 1, x1 is minus 2 by M1 plus M2, M1 plus M2 is 3 plus 1, comma M1 y2, that is 3 into 8 plus m2y1. m2 is 1 into y1 is 2 by m1 plus m2, again 3 plus 1. So just we have to simplify. 3 into 2 is 6, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 by 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 into 8 is 24, 1 into 2 is 2 by 3 plus 1 is 4 again. So 6 minus 2 is 4 by 4, comma 24 plus 2, 26 by. So here 4 by 4 is 1, comma it is 26 by 4. So here 2 2's and 2 13's. So 1 comma 13 by 2, 1 comma 13 by 2. These are the coordinates of R. So we have totally. So therefore coordinates of P equal to minus 1 comma 7 by 2, coordinates of Q equal to 0 comma 5, and coordinates of R equal to 1 comma 13 by 2. So just we have found the coordinates of all the 3 points which divide the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. So this is 8th problem in exercise 7.2. Students, if you are watching first time my video, subscribe and hit the bell icon. సో ఎవరైతే మీరు కొత్తగా వీడియో చూస్తున్నారో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. సో బెల్ ఐకాన్ యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి. సో నేను చేసేటువంటి ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది. సో నేను ప్రీవియస్గా ప్రతి చాప్టర్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, ఎక్సైజ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అండ్ టాపిక్స్ కొన్ని చాప్టర్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయినవి. సో అవి మీరు ప్లేలిస్ట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చూసుకోవచ్చు. సో దట్స్ ఆల్ టుడేస్ క్లాస్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.